Hello, everyone. On behalf of the Special Program on Immunization of the Pan American Health Organization, welcome to this video to explain the installation and use of the risk analysis tool for measles and rubella, no outbreaks version. I am Rafael Leon, and Dan Alvarez and I will be the tutors for this video. In this tutorial, we will learn how to execute the tool once again if you have previously executed so, for example, in 2023. And if there are no changes in the maps or shapefiles of your country. If you have not previously executed the risk analysis tool, we recommend that you go back to modules 1 through 7, which will teach you all of the concepts you need to understand to execute the tool the first time. The first step for using the risk analysis tool again is to find the folder that you used last year on your computer. We will take files out of this folder that we don't need to regenerate. In this case, our folder is called MR Risk Assessment Old. Within this, we will browse the source data folder and we'll make sure that we have three things. One folder called shapefiles, which contains the various levels that you used last year, the country flag, and your country underscore data Excel file with last year's data. If we have these three things, this means that we can move forward. The next step is to go to the GitHub repository for the project. The specific link is shown on screen and can also be found in the description of this video. We are doing this because this tool is undergoing continuous changes as we correct errors and add new functionality. At GitHub, we will proceed to download the tool by clicking on the code button. Then we will click on Download Zip. This will download a zip file. And for this, it will be important to carefully note the directory where it was saved. For example, we recommend that you save the directory on your desktop. This third step will be to unzip the zip files and save them in a working folder. With the extracted files, then we can go in and copy the content from the directory source data for last year's project and add it to the new project. At this point, if we run the QA.R check, we will see the results from last year. And if we run run.r, we will see the dashboard of last year with the new graphics and added and any functionalities that have been added since then. Therefore, what should now be done is to update the data in country data so that it is updated for this year. We can do this without the need to change the first 4 columns of geocodes because those work as they are. When we have the updated data, then we can continue with the steps on verification of data quality using QA.R. And if you do not remember correctly how to conduct this step, you could refer to Module 6 to see more about data quality verification and also for execution of the file. You could look at Module 7 for this, which will give you the instructions on using the script run.r. It is important for you to not repeat the generation of geocode step unless the territorial organization of your country has changed. This means that if they have added or removed municipalities, departments, or other subnational levels that were not accounted for in the previous year. If your levels have changed, we recommend that you look at the tutorial module 4 for the configuration of your shapefiles. If you have done all of this properly, your tool should work as usual. And we'll wait to see you again next year. If you have any questions or comments, please send an email to vpdrisktool@paho.org and we will respond as soon as possible, generally within 24 hours. See you next time.